Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to Soundu Talks. Before starting this video, the same public speaking series is going to be available in Tamil also. I will put a link in the description, so feel free to learn in Tamil also. Yes, so let's jump into today's video. Public speaking. This is one of the biggest fears that I have faced in my whole life. My whole journey of public speaking started when I was just in my 4th standard. During my 4th standard, for my first speech, I ran out of my stage crying like a small baby. But today, I am a very confident speaker and I am not afraid of speaking in any stage. So in this series, I am going to share all my tips, tricks, how we can craft any introduction, conclusion, body of speech, add a lot of spices like how Indians do and make sure that we give the best ever speech possible. Are you excited? I am excited. So let's jump in.